Jammu and Kashmir.
ईश्वर की कसम, अल्लाह की कसम, ईश्वर की कसम, अल्लाह की कसम, ये ताना बाना सब बदलेगा, बदलेगा सब बदलेगा, सारा जमाना बदलेगा। ईश्वर की कसम, अल्लाह की कसम, ईश्वर की कसम, अल्लाह की कसम, बस एक कदम, बस एक कदम, and that one kadam is Atmanirbhar Bharat. Esteemed galaxy of intellectual present over here, and my dear brothers and sisters, I am Priyatosh Devrikal from District Doda, UT J&K, and today I has been given a wonderful opportunity to put my views on very mesmerizing and burning topic, and the topic is Atmanirbhar Bharat and youth. So basically, what is Atmanirbhar Bharat? What was the need of introducing it, and why was it introduced? Atmanirbhar Bharat means self-reliant India. This term got major boost during the time of coronavirus pandemic, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced 10% of GDP as economic stimulus package to stressed economic sector by incentivizing job opportunities and providing more and more money directly into the hands of the ordinary people. According to one estimate provided by the Economic Times, there are more than 60 million MSME unit in India, which is currently employing more than 130 million population, thus contributing to 1/3 GDP of India and 40% export. And Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, he made it absolutely clear that there are 5 pillars of Indian economy. First is your demand, infrastructure, science and technology, system, demographic dividend. Let me move you towards some statistics and figure. Human Development Index, which is released by United Nations Development Program, we Indians have a poor ranking of 131. Our neighborhood states are performing better than India. In ease of doing business, we have a poor ranking of 63rd. So we need to look at all these issues. And if I can attribute this fact to Swami Vivekananda, what Swami Vivekananda has said, that he has said that if we want to bridge the gap between East and West, we need to go to Vedas. But I am of the strong opinion that apart from Vedas, we need to believe in our manufacturing sector, because world progress is centric to India's progress. And I strongly believe that we can introduce entrepreneurship skills, we can actually introduce skill-based learning to our primary student, because this is the ultimate aim of Atmanirbhar Bharat, to make each and every individual self-reliant. Education, it is the first thing without which a man cannot be a man. Educated are those who have learned much, who have remembered much, and have made use of their knowledge in their practical life. These kind of person who implement their knowledge in their practical life, these person are said to be an educated person in the real sense. We need to believe in our strong ideology, and because I think at present time the way we are enjoying prominent position in our international relation, be it Quad Group, be it SCO, be it SARC, I think we need to take advantage from this, and we need to be vocal for local. We need to promote make in India. Vande Bharat is one of the best example that can be included in Made in India. So I think there are a lot of areas where we can actually excel, because ultimately we have to implement, we have to visualize the concept of Atmanirbhar Bharat, and this can be only attributed when we can emerge as a global manufacturing hub. And the problem with the Atmanirbhar Bharat is that it has only talked about the supply side, it never has talked about the demand side. So we Indians, we have to generate the demand both from domestic economy as well as from the economy from the abroad. And most importantly, if I can attribute all of this, we need to believe in our strong education system. I think education is only the weapon that can cure every kind of want that are prevailing in society, and all the products that will be manufactured through Atmanirbhar Bharat, I think they must have global acceptance, they must have global credibility as well. And this is what I think Atmanirbhar Bharat is all about. अन्न वस्त्र शिक्षा आवास और चिकित्सा, अन्न वस्त्र शिक्षा आवास और चिकित्सा इन 5 निम्नतम आवश्यकताओं का हिस्सा है। मिल बांटने का हर व्यक्ति को अधिकार, कहते हैं बारंबार भारतीय सरकार। थैंक्स, जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Good afternoon, panel, and everyone with their auspicious presence over here.